Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. I know it's been a while since I put out any kind of video. Ever since the work has been sending me out to all these different states, I really don't have time to do anything. Well, it's finally the weekend. Not just the weekend, it's also St. Patty's weekend. So, for many of you, you'll probably be partying it out, celebrating, having fun. So, here's a shot to you from me. This is the Kizer shot. Let's check it out, see what it is. So, the other week, I was looking around for a new knife. And I know, for most guys, they prefer carrying around their full-size folders, something that's big and bulky and heavy duty. Me? Well, personally, I have a lot of stuff in my pockets already. I have my keys, my wallet, my phone. Last thing I want is something else to weigh me down, or something else that'll take up even more pocket space. Me, on the other hand, I prefer something that's a little bit lighter, smaller, and slimmer. More of a gentleman's knife, or an office-friendly knife. I'm a display installer, so therefore I'm in a lot of retail stores where there's families around, moms, their kids, and the last thing I want is some Karen to make a complaint with the manager saying that I scared off little Timmy. So, after looking around, I found this little guy, and I decided to give it a shot with the Kizer shot. Check it out, folks. Isn't that one beautiful looking knife? In fact, it's the kind of knife that you can pull it out in front of someone and they're not going to know what it is. Plus, it looks classy enough for you to use with your suit and tie. And the nice thing about it, it's also light enough for you to use when you're wearing your gym shorts. It's very light. In fact, the weight on this knife is only 2.3 ounces. And it's slim enough where it's not going to get in the way inside your pocket. I absolutely love that brushed copper finished look. It just gives it a more of that vintage feel, even a more of a steampunk look. And depending on how you put it up in the light, it almost looks like it has a wooden handle. I have this open backing right here, couple barrel spacers, and you have your deep carry pocket clip. The screws are completely flush with the clip, so therefore you can actually put it up all the way up to the tip, where unlike some of the knives that you see, it actually gets hung up right on the screws. There's a couple of different ways to open this knife. As you can see at the top, you have your jimping right here, which allows you to use it more of a front flipper. And of course it does come with your ambidextrous thumb studs right here. So you can either use the thumb studs and open it up the traditional way. You can even reverse flick it or spidey flick it. It feels great in your hands. It just kind of forms to your hand, and you can just rest your finger right against that choil right there. The handle is a skeletonized steel to reduce the weight. In fact, the weight on this is only about 2.3 ounces. Plus, it does come with your 154 cm steel, and 154 cm is a good quality steel. I have absolutely no issues with it. It holds an edge very well. It resists corrosion. This one, plus it also comes with your black coating. And this knife, as you can see, has this nice belly that just kind of sweeps up to the top right here, which just makes it a very slicey knife. It is buttery smooth, very silky. I mean, look at it. Straight out of the box. Bam. Just It does come with a 2.88-inch blade, and overall length is almost 7 inches, which is just the sweet spot for me. As you can see, compare this to, well, this is the CJRB RIA. It falls right in that sweet spot of about 7 inches. That is perfect for me. Compare this to the Ferrum Forge Gent. It's also about the same size, but this one is a little bit slimmer. It does come with a couple different variations of it. This one, the one I picked out, has the copper finish. There's also one that also has the green finish on it. It's a wonderful little knife. I absolutely love it. And you're not going to break the bank on this. It's not exactly budget, but it cost me only $62. Some places you can find it for $60, other places it goes all the way up to $70, depending on where you get it from. There you go, folks. If you're looking for just a gentleman's carry knife, something that's not going to weigh you down or take up pocket space, and something that you can carry discreetly without raising any kind of eyebrows, well, one thing for sure, it doesn't hurt to give it a shot with the Kizer shot. Anyway, folks, that's about it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like, leave your comments down below, and consider subscribing for some more knives, fishing, and kits video. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later.